So as you can see, I'm in a butterfly park. This is so cute. They have such sweet butterflies, and there are like this size. I'm curious to see if there are bigger ones because I heard they exist. Wow. Wow, guys, it's so beautiful. And look here, they all are eating and drinking. They are amazing. When in Dubai, really, you should do this. Oh my god, I have to take a picture of this blue one. Look how they grow. Oh my god. Yeah. This one is almost ready. Look a baby butterfly. So this is my tip number one. Go to the butterfly garden or park. It really is worth it. It's calming. You know, after you had so much stress maybe at work or it was too noisy, you come in here, the water is calming. It's just so sweet to see these colorful butterflies. I hope I was able to take some good pictures and videos. I hope I caught them, and I just see one big one. You know what? I don't know if it's... Oh, I think I have one on my head. I don't know if it's what I think it is, but they stink. It's a little bit stinky in here, but I'm not sure if it's the butterflies or not. Do I have one on my head? It feels like... I will see it afterwards. This is like in a temple or something. Feels so relaxing, like a Zen garden. So that was it. My first day. No, actually it's my second day, but my first day actually doing something in Dubai. And yeah, I think it shows that there is the exit. But it's so worth it. Please, if you are in Dubai, if you have children or not, this is worth it. It's really beautiful. Just look at it, you know. So colorful. And yeah, and I will show below like how much it will cost in dirham. And please subscribe, like and comment this video. And when you leave, there is a little cafe. They serve Starbucks coffee. It's really cutely made, and you can also sit outside. But I will head back to the apartment now. This was really incredible.